My younger brother. My younger brother. My younger brother. Without the rock.
Sorry. Give way now. Sorry.
Let's go. Madam, I will push you over.
Let's go. Okay, keep moving. Because you are. Let's go, please. Let's go. This side. Go this side. They are taking pictures.
the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Your Excellency, the Governor of the State, and your beloved wife, Your Excellencies, former governors that are here, the former Senate President, my dear younger brother, the celebrant of today, and your very beautiful wife, the secret senators and members of the House of Representatives, our dear leaders, particularly Otumba Fasaway, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me, on behalf of our team for Rivers State members of the National Assembly, the leaders and former Deputy Speaker, House of Reps, and other who are here who came with me to felicitate with my dear brother, his wife, and their family for God's grace to attain the age of 65. There are those who are born today, they die. There are those whose parents will send them to school, they graduate with first class. As they are coming out that day, we hear one story or the other. And my God, His wisdom, has granted you this grace to be here today to say thank you and celebrate with your people. We have come to felicitate with you. I've known Fayose for some time, was running for governor of the state. I was chairman of the local government then. He used to tell me that when they come to River State, he comes as a governor, while the of us who are chairman will come and receive him. I said, yes, that was then. But now, you remember that I'm the minister of the federal capital. One thing anybody would always say, I've had all times with him. I've had good times with him. But one thing you can take home is that he's a man you can depend on. He's a man you can go home and sleep with your two eyes closed. It's difficult in this country. Most people don't like those who are set forward. Most people don't know people who will tell you this is black and this is white. I remember sometimes we had a problem. That was supposed to be an election of the national zonal chairman of Southwest. He was on one side. I was on one side. In fact, that time I was working with Shettima and he was supporting A.D. Olefeso. So, on national television, in fact, to be precise, channels, he said, he will call in. I know it's my friend who is doing all this against him. Then after the interview, I called him. I said, oh boy, I had you, I will reply. He said, no, don't reply. But made up. He doesn't carry anything in his mind. Whatever he does not like, I will say it. And after that time is the end. And these are people that should be commended. He has told you here, it doesn't matter that he believes that, look at Governor OBJ, is not in his party. That is not because it's not in his party, but the young man is doing well. And at his age, he cannot, because he belongs to another party, and then he will not say that the man is not doing well. That is leadership. I have never, he has never told me anything, and he will not do it. It doesn't matter who is involved. And let me commend your wife. You know, people say, monkey they jump, monkey they jump. Now we are 3 near 3. Ayo is great. Ayo is good. There's a pillar. How did I know about the wife? There's sometimes problem. She was the one who called me. She said, you know that this is your brother. She's very good in prayer, but unlike him. Unlike Fayose. I don't even know whether he prays. I don't even know. But very good in prayer, upholding the husband in prayer. Forget, as he said, Ayo, come out. The day he was going to EFCC, in the night, I was with him, he came to see me. He said, look, we'll go to EFCC tomorrow. I said, okay, stay in the guest house here. I will take you to EFCC. Nothing will happen. But when I came back, I said, we're going to EFCC tomorrow. What are you doing? He said, oh boy, I don't know where I will go. I will come back. I know I will come back. This is one day I enjoy my life today. So, I took him to EFCC the next day. Like I said, he's a good friend. He will stand with you when you have a problem. He's not a friend today. He forgets what you have done yesterday. He's not a friend Tomorrow, he will say a different thing. No, he's not my kind of person. He will come to you, my brother, you say you agree. You know you're my friend, but me, I'm not a support of this one. He will tell you. Unlike today, what we see, somebody will say a great friend last night. Tomorrow morning, you are no longer a great friend. God will continue to give you long life. I pray you will surpass my age. I pray surpass my age. That's my prayer. That's the prayer of the senior brother to a younger person. So I love you. I love your family. You have been there for me when it mattered most. Thank you, and God bless you.